Okay, I'm gonna do a quick video on how to set up your signature for your Gmail account. Whenever you send a message to someone, it'll automatically add your signature at the bottom. And it's really simple. Just ignore the junk in the background. I'm here in my garage. I'm cleaning here in a few minutes. But first, what you want to do is log on to your Gmail account. And you want to click over here where it says settings, and you go down to settings. Click that. And once the window open up, go all the way almost to the bottom here. And where it says signature, make sure you click this right here and then you type your signature. As you see, I put thanks Glenn Lewis, CWE, adjunct welding instructor. Once you do that, and like I said, make sure this part right here is checked. If you click right here, it's not going to add your signature. So make sure the no signature is not checked. And go to the bottom and hit save. And once you hit save, the next time you compose an email or send somebody an email, this is what's going to happen. See, I'm going to hit this compose. You're going to see your signatures at the bottom. And that's how you do it. And if you want to turn this off, you just go back to your settings. Go to settings. And just go down to your signature. You don't have to erase this. You just have to click no signature and then hit save changes. So when we go back and compose an email, you're going to notice that there's no signature. And that's how you add signatures to your Gmail emails. All right. Thank you and have a great day. Subscribe to my channel.